Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply receive crypto on your Binance mobile app. In order to receive, you're going to need an account. So by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, once you've logged in with your verified account, your first step in getting some cryptocurrency or receiving cryptocurrency is to click on the deposits. There are many ways you can receive cryptocurrencies, but this is the direct deposit. So you simply select the token you wish to deposit. For this video, I'm going to be working with a BNB. So select BNB and select the network. I'm going to be working with BNB on the BEP20. So we've gotten our BEP20. All you need to do now is simply click on this copy icon, wallet address copied, and please take note of the minimum deposit, the expected arrival, and the expected unlock of all. These are all network confirmations. So make sure you take note of that, and then simply minimize and head over to the wallet or the exchange you're sending your crypto from. And for this, I'm working with the Trust wallet. You can use MetaMask, Blockchain, Coinbase, Exodus, KuCoin. It works the same. So open up your Trust wallet, select the token, which is the BNB, and make sure the network aligns. As you can see, I selected the BNB Smart Chain, which is the BEP20. This is it. Click on the send option, paste the address, enter the amount of US dollars. So let's say 1.1. Click on continue and simply click on confirm. And now all I need to do is simply reload, and once I've reloaded, boom, it's gone. Head over to your Binance and open up your Binance. And now once you've opened up Binance, simply click on this notification icon here, and boom, the BNB has been successfully deposited, as you can see here. So simply scroll, head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen, do a reload so you can have a view of your assets. If it's not on your spot wallet, it would definitely be on the funding wallet. So guys, another option, if you're looking to get some cryptocurrency without spending any fees on gas, without spending any gas fees, the icon at the top right of the screen stands for the Binance Pay, which is for Binance users. That's basically Binance to Binance transactions, which do not take any gas fees whatsoever. So now, if you're looking to receive, click on this receive option here, and your Binance or your unique Binance code is shown. You can set the currency you want. You can set the amount as well. So let's say I only want to be taking Matic. I can only set Matic. Let's say I wish to only collect AVE. I can set AVE as well. So all the person needs to do is either scan your Binance tag or use your Binance Pay ID, which is just here, to send you crypto. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can receive crypto on Binance, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.